Shrikal, I'm Atar.
Hi, I'm Manisha.
Welcome to our podcast, Two Best Friends, where us two best friends talk about anything and everything that is a burning sensation amongst us that catches our attention and impacts millennials, migrants, mothers, career driven women, women in general. Or kya?
Yes. And here we are with another episode. And we, as you would notice if you're on a video, that we are in a different space and it's
Very different.
because life got busy and then we just was like, okay, we still need to do it because we want the consistency, and here we are with another episode in a car.
I was so looking forward to seeing what your explanation is going to be. I was going to say, isn't it cool to record in the car? We're just
we
jumping
do
on the bandwagon.
So here we are because we take it very seriously and we want to do this. And today's episode, and I know the topic is about eggs, right? And maybe, and it's going to sound a bit judgmental, and desi eggs specifically, because
The
we
eggs
both
we get
are
from Desis.
bases, and maybe we do as well, but we both are part of that group as well, and maybe we egg someone as well. We'll find out. We haven't spoken about this at all, so it's going to be a very surprising space for both of us. But before we start that, let's start with a silver lining for this week. Atar,
Manisha, you go first, please. I forgot about it.
Look, I will do my silver lining for this week. My silver lining is just, I think, actually, is about, I read this book and I'm really enjoying it, and it spoke about women, or just people like holding it together, and this version that we show the world, which is about it's all good. Or we sort it in a way. We do share vulnerability, yeah, and just we very like, I don't know. We're not really good at sharing what things feel not good enough. We do, but we're not. I think we're not. Anyways, and then recently a friend of ours did share how they were struggling, and it was really good to hear that and refreshing, to be honest, because I feel like one, it was like, okay, thank you for sharing that, but also just that, we just don't do it enough.
We're not vulnerable enough.
Yes, and it just, I was like, I hear you, sister, because fuck, I have those moments as well, and just silver lining was that sharing that vulnerability, sharing how fucked up we feel sometimes, and it's okay because we all do, and we don't have it together.
That's so good. Last year's, that was my word of the year, to be vulnerable, because I did not know how to ask for help. And that year changed me. I was a lot more vulnerable. I was more open to crying in front of people. It was really good. It's good to see people vulnerable because it brings out your vulnerability, makes you more human.
It does, and it kind of almost is that whole thing about being authentic and real, right? And it just helps us realize that even though we feel like sometimes, I feel like that the other syndrome where we always think the other people are doing it better than you are, but it's not a comparison, but it's just like, yes, we're all real, we're humans, and we all have things that are up and down.
Yeah. Well, my silver lining is very trivial.
Go for it. I don't know how you do realize every time you say that it's very trivial. It doesn't have to be. That's the whole thing about silver lining up there.
So the other day, I was craving this specific roti, and I made karele ka bharta. I made roasted raw mango chutney, and I was craving bajre ki roti. I asked my sisters how to make bajre di roti, and they were like, just how you make ragi di roti. And I'm like, how do you make ragi di roti?
Yeah, I would have asked the same thing.
No, they bloody
The
were playing with
assumption.
me.
Yeah.
No, they were
Yeah.
purposely playing with me. And then they were like, the way you make makki di roti. And I'm like, fuck you girls.
Just tell me
Just
how.
fucking tell me. How do you make bajre di roti?
We like instructions and clear instructions.
Just tell me. And when they told me and they were like, this is how you make it. And then one of our sisters said, look, you can just make like a little like lumpy. That's okay. Even that'll be okay. And I was like, why do you think I wouldn't be able to make bajre di roti and it's going to be like just vatta? I don't know how to
like
say
it won't
vatta
be
in
like
English, like
proper.
proper. Yeah. And I was like, why are you assuming? I may make good one. Anyway, I ended up making, and it was all fula hua. I was so proud of myself. I was like, you girls underestimated me.
Absolutely.
I made beautiful thali of bharta, chutney, and bajre di roti with so much kyo on it. I was so proud of myself.
It is.
I was so proud of
It's
myself.
so good because I feel like just that when you have that craving of something,
yes,
and then you make it. Oh my god! It's just that the joy of taking that bite and looking at that plate is just like, I personally, I love it as well. Like, I love that is why I think I personally have learned to cook, and I continue to do it because I love the joy of seeing it. And
I feel like anytime I crave something, I feed myself that with so much cure and homemade food. It's like my way of loving myself.
Yeah.
And there is no better love language for myself.
No, I agree.
Yeah.
I think
So
that's absolutely.
that was my classic and brilliant trivial.
I don't think
silver
it's
lining.
trivial. Sure, that.
Yeah, don't get too much into it. Otherwise, that's going to give me an ache.
That is my ick. I was going to say, let's start with the ick. And that is what my ick is.
What is?
This whole thing of underplaying yourself, right?
That is being humble.
Oh, it's underplaying the moment. And, I think it's really good. And
That's just
but
being humble.
okay, maybe. You tell us if Attar is being humble or is she underplaying it? We'll find out. Because I can hear you proud of yourself, and that's amazing. And I think it was a good, silver lining.
Yes.
But I feel like we just taught not to. I'm sorry. हाँ, हम बैठे हैं एक podcast fully 98% हम लोग इंग्लिश में बात
मैंने
करते
कहा
हैं
नहीं कई बार मैंने
come back to अंग्रेजी नहीं नहीं
Oh, now you're not even saying English, you're saying Angrezi.
Yes.
I've said it many times. We should do it in Hindi. Actually, let us know. Should we do it in Hindi?
Yes.
Because I think we should do
She
it.
does, but she will herself come automatically to English. So it's
नहीं
very
मेरी प्रॉब्लम ये है मैं ज्यादा शुद्ध हो जाती हूँ और फिर मेरी पंजाबी स्लिप होने लग जाती है एंड देन इट बिकम्स द खिचड़ी ऑफ व्हाट यू सी ऑन द मीम्स
Which is
हिंदी
how?
एंड पंजाबी
I think you speak very good Hindi, but
हाँ नहीं पर वो स्लिप होने लगती है ना पंजाबी खिचड़ी बन जाती है
अच्छा
anyway so out there I don't like talking to people or people talking to me in English when they know I'm Punjabi or Indian. Just speak in bloody our own language. Especially restaurants. Restaurants, when you go and you are going to an Indian restaurant, you know कि देसी है यार. बोल लो हिंदी पंजाबी.
if
मतलब
it's a
वहाँ पे
desi
भी
Punjabi
if it is a
Hindi
desi-
restaurant.
yes, not
Heard-
South Indian, of course. No,
because I do sometimes also have heard the other way around. हिंदी में मैंने कहा भाई उसको हिंदी नहीं
नहीं
आती
आती
just
है.
because वो इंडियन है.
हाँ कभी कभी होता है मैं पंजाबी में शुरू हो जाती हूँ and then they talk in Hindi and I switch. Then I'm very respectful and I switch. Oh, along with that, I don't like when people still talk with an accent to an Indian.
That is my ick.
गलत बात.
Right?
गलत बात.
Also, when they give their name in a non-Indian way to me, who's an Indian, right?
Yeah.
Like if they give it to me saying,
अच्छा.
yeah, like if you come to me, if you say it to someone who's non-Indian, okay, I get it. Now I get it. But if you come to me and say, acha, I'll be like, bhai, attar hai. But that is my desi too. That why the accent? Why can't we just talk आराम से?
Yes. और तुम अगर हिंदी में बात कर रहे हो किसी से इंग्लिश में एक्सेंट मत लाओ भाई और अपना सिर हिला. This is us.
But
करो
do you
ऐसा.
think, I mean, it's different if it's first gen and second gen as well, right? Like if it's a second
100%.
gen, the accent is going to come. And I don't think that's the key part.
No,
It's when you
it's
know
put on.
it's a first gen migrant who's like us, who's come through and traveled and stuff. And you're like, okay, just come back to the normal English.
अच्छा मेरे एक में अपना एक धो लिया.
धो लिया. वो है मेरा भी एक है तो मैं क्या करूँ?
ठीक है बोल दो.
मेरा okay.
एकदम हिंदी में ही आ गया.
हाँ अब तेरे से बोल रही तो मैं भी अब हिंदी में बात. But my ick is, I guess, and I generally, if you know, I hide what I do to people. Any kind of, it's not desi, but general. Like if I go somewhere, when I meet people, I will not, and it's not because it's not because of my profession, but I generally don't like introducing yourself with your profession. No, profession.
Yeah.
I just don't like that kind of identity because I feel like most of our identities are always related to our work. So my personal don't. But anyway, so when I go to, but it's funny every time I've noticed where it comes out. And in the gathering, it's like the first, like, it's like a surprise moment. Like, you're a psychologist? I'm like, yes. And then the next question, will you treat me? I'm like, what is this?
Let me treat you about this ick of mine.
What is this? What do you think I am? Like sitting here, like just but I get like I'm sure a lot of other doctors and stuff as well. It's like, यार ये मेरे हाथ में ना ये हो रहा है.
बताना हुआ क्या?
I'm very cautious myself if I meet some other allied health doctors or whatever, not to speak about it as well. And even like, but yeah. Anyway, so I think that is my ick where I feel like I don't know if it's a desi ick, but where people go like assume that just because you're something, you need to kind of go into that professional hat there and then. It's different to maybe numbers. I feel like if you're an accountant, I think you should not do it for anyone, to be honest.
No.
If you really want professional advice, say, okay, can we have a chat later? I really want to have a chat about this. Maybe not in a social environment. Like that's
Maybe
fine.
steps to it, not like के बस अब इलाज ही कर दो तुम हमको.
Huh. So I think that's mine.
Yes. My next one is, I'm sure I did it in the past, but what I've learned is giving unsolicited advice.
She's looking at me.
लोन पे ये बोल दिया कि तुझे ये बैंक पे, and when I didn't do anything about it because you don't know anything about my situation, they went on to assume my life story. I'm like, but लियो
कि क्या हो रहा है तुम्हारी
क्या
जिंदगी
हो रहा है
में?
जिंदगी में अगर तुमने ये हमारी एडवाइस नहीं. So I find it very annoying. Have realized recently कि मैं एकदम से switch off हो जाती हूँ जब कोई advice देना शुरू करता है. Because it's just an assumption that you think I am not aware enough, I'm not smart enough to know about those things and make choices of my own. क्या पता मैं allergic हूँ दवाई से. ये क्या मतलब है?
I have something related to that, which is very much about health specific, right? The moment, and I think this, I don't know if they see it, but it is like, I mean, this is my growing experience or just in India stuff generally, or even here. The moment you say, yaar, ye ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai, it's like this, pani pee lo, ye kar lo.
I do that.
No, but it actually doesn't feel as icky from you. But generally, like, when, I get the whole pani pilo, kela khalo, whatever, like, I have done that.
हाँ,
Like,
मतलब मैं
thank you.
कभी कभी ये होता है कि बता रहे हैं तुम्हें I am not fully here because of this reason.
Yeah.
कि सर दर्द हो रहा है, रात को सोई नहीं है,
हाँ.
कुछ भी ऐसा है.
But this whole, I think it's my partner एक vitamin. ये ले लो. भाई छोड़ दे, नहीं चाहिए मेरे को vitamin मत खिलाओ मुझे तो. But that it just gets to me. So I'm like, it's okay. I'm just expressing that I'm in pain.
Exactly.
That's all. I just need you to hear me. I don't need you to tell me what to do. I don't
बात
need solutions. If I need solution, I'll say it.
Yeah. मैं चैट जीपीटी से पूछूं.
ChatGPT. आजकल ChatGPT is answering everything for us.
Yes. Great. The other ick of mine is,
It's amazing how we're getting so many icks.
I know. And before that we were like कि क्या हो गया?
हम तो ठीक है, सब
हम तो
बढ़िया
इतने
है.
cool हैं. When you're talking and someone thinks what you're going to say and says it,
I'm just like, you know what I'm thinking? I'm like, is she talking about me? Like,
मेरे साथ ये है, तू कभी कभी करती हूँ, मैं बोलती हूँ मुझे बोलने दे पहले. I said point blank कि मुझे बोलने दे.
Wait, like I was assessing it in my head while she was talking about it कि ये just said, do I do that? Yeah, I do that.
नहीं, पर दूसरे लोगों के साथ ना वो जो assume करते हैं कि मैंने ये चीज बोल ली है और साथ के साथ sentence finish. Like मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि हाँ, मन नहीं ना, नहीं बोल लो, तुम शांति. मेरी बात खत्म होने, मुझे फुल स्टॉप लगाने, तुम अपना दे दो अगला सजेशन, फिर मैं उस पे एक निकाल दूं.
नहीं चाहिए मुझे तुम्हारा एडवाइस.
इसलिए मैं घर पे रहती हूँ, मिलती नहीं हूँ.
Oh my God, if Atta says she's not going out, imagine like the other people in this world.
क्या इतना जाती हूँ मैं?
मतलब बिजी तो
बिजी होती हूँ, पर इतना सोशलाइज तो नहीं करती, तेरे साथ ही आती हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है. We'll talk about that later. What else? What other ick do I have? I can't really think of any other ick.
नहीं, तू बहुत कूल बनती है. तेरे में इक नहीं है. तुझे किसी से प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
प्रॉब्लम तो मुझे बहुत लोगों से है.
वो तो फिर उनकी प्रॉब्लम है ना कि that they are being icky people.
Oh my God. So it's not us. They're icky people. So anyone, if you ever think, oh my God, this is annoying, just think, remember, it's not you. It's the
them.
icky.
मतलब कभी कभी होता है ना, वाइब नहीं मैच कर रही उनकी. उनकी वाइब ऑफ है, हमारी पूरी एट पार है, नहीं हो रही है.
See, I guess what my question is, and maybe this ick is, I feel like a Gen Z word. I don't think is it a millennial thing? I have not experienced.
Gen Z हमारे के बाद आते हैं ना. नहीं हमारे में भी है.
Okay, fine. I have not. Like, in my head, I'm like, what? Like, ick, even ick. I heard it from you, right? There are things I don't like, but this is not that. Small things that annoy you, correct? Are we talking about this? I know we've done the whole episode.
Topic हो गया, अब पूछ रही है कि topic.
No, because I'm thinking ahead. I'm like, there are lots of things I'm like, this is just bullshit. I don't want to listen to you. But I don't know if it's a ick. It's beyond an ick.
बहन इक ही है. अब उसका दूसरा वर्ड.
But I think I've already spoken about it. Ick is if anyone comes into my bedroom and eats.
Oh yeah, वो तो मुझे भी बेड पे तो oh my god, no way.
I can do it myself.
दूसरे का नहीं, मैं तो ज्ञान को खड़ा रह के बोलती हूँ कि खड़ा रहे वहां पे, बोलता है कि आप खा रहे हो मैं क्यों नहीं खा रहा, मैं तो वहां पे खड़ा, एंड ही मेक्स दैट पपी फेस. इज इट लाइक तुम्हारा बेटा खड़ा होके, कोई बात नहीं नीचे बैठ के खा ले, बेड में नहीं.
I have that too. I don't like smell. Even if I'm full or hungry, I'm like not hungry. I'm like, please outside.
हाँ. बाकी पहले मुझे होता था लोगों का बीओ ये चीजें हो रही है, अब इतने मेच्योर हो गए कि समझ आ गया कि ठीक है कई चीजें that's how they are.
So what do you do when if you have a BO and so what do you do?
If I have BO,
no, other people like you smell.
I will never say anything.
Of course,
I
you
will
won't
just
say
let
anything.
it be. I will let it be.
I don't think I would. I mean, that's something you just don't tell people.
Exactly. I will never
But
tell.
how do you deal with it?
किसका डील किसका करना है फिर?
कि भाई किसी का let's say
किसका
मुंह
BO?
से स्मेल आ रही है
तो एक स्टेप पीछे हो जा.
गाड़ी में बैठी है तो क्या करेंगे?
Too bad if they're icked by me.
बता दो.
I feel like sometimes I talk too much.
If you
Sometimes.
talk too much, I'm wondering what I do.
No, I get hyper. I talk too much. I suddenly will exert too much energy that it's too much for the आगे का person to like match. और बाद में मुझे होता है यार थोड़ा ज्यादा हो.
I guess we all do. I think you're preaching to the choir because I think I talk. That's my job.
But otherwise क्या ही है. I think dependent on the day कभी कभी annoying हो जाता है. जैसे बोला कि वाइब नहीं मैच करती है, कभी कभी मेरी वाइब नहीं मैच करती है, तो अगला बंदा अनोय हो जाता है, इक्स आ जाती है. डिस्टिंग्विश्ड एक तो अगला बंदा ही बताएगा, मुझे क्या पता कि मैं कैसे अनोय कर.
That's true. It icks me.
Don't tell me about it.
When if someone calls me,
Yeah.
unless someone's dying,
Yeah.
and they keep calling me.
yes. Double call is a sin.
Yes, right? It icks you, right?
Yes. मतलब एक बार नहीं उठाया है.
Unless कोई मर रहा है, urgent है, कुछ है, please do not call me.
Yes. And you know what?
Unless you're my mother, because she's 78, I will let her be.
Yes.
But I cannot.
I agree. I agree. So agree.
So that's my last thing.
I will not push too much on this, but कई बार मुझे ये भी annoy करता है कि कॉल कर भी क्यों रहे हो. Is it something you can text?
Oh my God, have you gone into these really anti-social life of Gen Zs?
No, I think this is what I'm becoming Desi Karen.
You're becoming Desi Karen, okay. We will talk about Desi Karen next time. But yeah,
okay, that's such a fantastic topic because I can list so many things.
Desi Karen things? Desi You've
Karen?
noticed about yourself?
हाँ.
I actually was saying to Ashwin Ray that I have noticed I have become more blunt, and I've heard this. Okay, people have given me over like as I have matured, and I'm like, yeah, actually I have. Yeah. Because I'm like I can't deal with undertones anymore. I'm like, सीधा सीधा बात. Exactly. Clear. Let's talk. If we can't, let's not talk. हाँ, I agree. 100% agree. ना मेरे में patience नहीं है कि बात को sugar coat करके बोलूं. I do let people who are like, and I think when I'm in India, I'm okay with it in the sense of like older people, I'm like, I let them be. But anyone else, I'm like, no, bro, thank you very much. I can't be bothered. I know. जैसे आजकल I cannot do anything beyond 7:30. मतलब I'm in bed at 8 o'clock. You will find me dead by 8:30. Don't propose any plans. Okay, we're now going to Desi Karen coming back. So that is the last take, right? Now we want everyone else to tell us about their please tell us. Please, we don't feel lonely in this world of icks, and don't feel like we are the only one. Please share your icks with us, and yeah, just tell us if there's anything else you'd like us to yap about, talk about, and we will see you next week. Thank you. Peace out. Give us love on all our socials. और यार engage करते रहा करो, बताया करो क्या सुनना है क्या नहीं सुनना. हमारा दिमाग लग जाता है कि क्या करें. Please बता दिया करो. Please. Peace out. Don't. You can't. That's not your thing.